What's going on, fam? It's your boy T and I'm back again with another video. Right now I have Feel the Sounds of Sri Lanka. This is by C-Row. Shout out to C-Row. We're gonna react to this, gonna see how it is. He says, I've been traveling for 1 month in Sri Lanka where I recorded local sounds and pictures and put them all together in this video clip. So yeah, I want to see how crazy it is. Want to see how creative it is. All right, so yeah, man, let's check it out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Feel the sounds. Okay. Beautiful country, beautiful island, man. Honestly.
I think I can make a rhythm.
I love those drums, man.
Make a rhythm.
I do. Oh, wow.
Make a rhythm.
Okay.
Make a rhythm.
I love where this is going.
Make a rhythm. Make a rhythm.
This guy's mind, man, must be crazy, man. Yo, this is beautiful, man. Honestly, man. Wow. Mind blowing. Mountains. Mad. This is mad, man. That's crazy. Wow. That was the best 4 minutes of my life, or of this day. Let me say, of today. Like this 4 minutes right here, mad, man, massive. This right here was beautiful, man. It's crazy how he did this. And I'm always fascinated and I always have questions, questions with people who dislike things like this, man. Like these 127 people over here. Some people they just want to be different. Like they come here, they'll be like, oh, there's zero dislikes. Okay, let me just put one just for it to be there. Come on, man. This right here was beautiful, and this video deserves uh, a million plus views, man. Just imagine somebody just went to Sri Lanka. He was going around checking everything, and then he took all the sounds, put them together, and this is one of the most beautiful music songs that I've heard, man. Even some other artists out there, they can't do this. This is beautiful, man. Shout out to this guy, C Row, man. This right here is awesome. Anyway, guys, you get it. I'd love to to see what you guys think in the comment section. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, link up, man. Link up, and I'll see you on my next version. Take care. Peace.